For easy management of your user accounts, Mantis Hub supports single sign-on, or SSO, with your federated identity providers. Supported providers include Microsoft's Office 365 or Azure AD, Google, GitHub, and Bitbucket. Check our pricing page to see if your plan includes this feature. Some advantages of SSO include easier user login, enforcing more stringent, complex login and security policies, automatically revoking Mantis Hub access when an employee leaves, and auto-provisioning of new accounts. Setup is simple. Administrators just head to the Manage menu and then click the Manage Plugins tab. Look for the AuthHub plugin under Available Plugins and click Install. Now you'll need to create some configuration. Head to Manage, Manage Configuration, and click on Configuration Report. Scroll down to the Create Configuration option form. You'll first need to define your provider by setting the configuration option, Plugin AuthHub Federation Provider. The string value must be lowercase and will be one of these options: Microsoft, Google, Bitbucket, or GitHub. At this point, you're ready to go. You'll see a login button under the default Mantis Hub login screen for your provider that you can use to log into Mantis Hub. However, there are a few more configuration options you can set up. You may wish to enforce authentication via your federation provider and prevent users from setting up or using their local Mantis Hub password. To do this, you would set the Federation Force List option. This can be defined as a list of domains, usernames, or email addresses, or a combination of all three. After setting a force list, you may want to allow just a subset of users to still be able to log in with Mantis Hub credentials. For example, it's recommended to have the administrator account have both login options. To do this, you would set up the Allow Password Login configuration option, again listing usernames, email addresses, and/or domains. Mantis Hub supports auto-provisioning, so if users do not already have a Mantis Hub account but can successfully authenticate with your federation provider, then a Mantis Hub account will automatically be created for them. To enable this, there are 3 configuration steps. 1. Use the Plugin AuthHub Provisioning Enabled configuration option, setting the integer value to be 1 for on. 2. You would need to configure the provisioning domain whitelist, that is, the domains used by your team members. And 3. Set a default global access level for your provisioned users. And lastly, you can adjust the login lifetime by setting the Federation Session Lifetime. This integer is the lifetime value in seconds. Full details can be found in Mantis Hub support documentation at support.mantishub.com, and reach out to the support team by emailing support@mantishub.com to find out if this feature is available for your plan.